According to Reuters, the European Central Bank expects inflation to slow down and interest rates to stabilize by 2025. Yes, and overall the rates there seem really low to us. This creates favorable conditions for investors and new business projects by lowering the cost of borrowing and improving financial predictability. However, as noted by McKinsey, the European market will face the need to restructure supply chains due to geopolitical tensions and a shift towards more localized production. This opens up opportunities for new players who will be able to offer flexible and sustainable solutions. And according to the Financial Times, digitalization remains a key driver of the European market. The demand for cloud technologies, artificial intelligence, and cybersecurity is growing. Finance is also an area where there's plenty of room to grow. Thanks to the development of embedded financial services and open banking, the European fintech market remains one of the most dynamic. Now might be a good time to consider buying real estate or starting a property management business in Europe. The market is undergoing a transformation, and crisis moments often become opportunities for forward-thinking entrepreneurs. What are the risks of starting a business in Europe in 2025? First, regulatory barriers. The introduction of new standards for compliance, anti-money laundering, and tax regulation can complicate the process of starting companies. Despite the easing of monetary policy, banks maintain strict lending requirements for new companies. Opening a bank account for companies in Europe is not such a simple task. We keep our finger on the pulse of European banking and know many options for how to open a bank account in Europe for companies. And of course, let's not forget about the European country of Cyprus, which still remains a favorable low-tax jurisdiction with English law and no bureaucracy in terms of company registration and support. This is where specialists come in to help with business registration and opening accounts. And navigating local legislation, so the adaptation process is happening faster and more safely.